Haputale is a town located in the hill country of Sri Lanka and is best known for its verdant tea plantations. The town is situated above the clouds and is surrounded by beautiful tea fields, offering a picturesque view of the surrounding countryside. Tea was first successfully planted in Ceylon by the Scotsman James Taylor in 1867 at the Lolakondara tea plantation. Taylor's success in the exports of tea garnered the attention of the Scottish tea baron and philanthropist Sir Thomas Lipton. The Dambatenne Tea Factory is one of the major attractions in Haputale and was built by Lipton in 1890. It is one of the oldest and best preserved tea factories in Sri Lanka. It is a working factory and is open to visitors who can see the different stages of tea production, from processing the leaf to the final packaging. Visitors can also purchase tea directly from the factory, which is a great opportunity to buy high-quality, fresh tea. It's well worth a visit if you are interested in learning about the orthodox black tea processing techniques of Sri Lanka, the vital factor which established Ceylon tea's stature. Lipton's seat is a viewpoint located in Haputale. It's named after Sir Thomas Lipton, who owned the tea plantations in the area around. The viewpoint offers panoramic views of the surrounding tea plantations and the southern hills of Sri Lanka. It's not hard to imagine Lipton surveying his tea fields from this vantage point. Lipton's seat is a popular spot for hiking and photography and can be reached by a steep 15-kilometer trail from Haputale town. The Adisham Bungalow was once the country house of Sir Thomas Lester Villiers, but today it houses the Adisham Monastery of the Order of Benedictine monks. Just 3 kilometers away from Haputale town, the Adisham Bungalow is located in a picturesque setting in the Thangamale Nature Sanctuary. The monastery is known for its unique architecture and serene atmosphere. The building is constructed of stone and timber. The Adisham Monastery is open to visitors who can explore the grounds, living room, and library. It's a peaceful and tranquil place, and visitors can take a break from the hustle and bustle of everyday life to enjoy the serene and gorgeous views of the surrounding Uva Valley. The Dialuma waterfall is a popular tourist destination located close to Haputale. It is considered as the second highest waterfall in Sri Lanka. It's approximately 220 meters high with a width of 15 meters. The waterfall is located in the Koslanda area of Haputale and it is easily accessible by road from the town. The Dialuma waterfall is a popular spot for swimming and picnicking, and visitors can take a dip in the cool, clear waters within the natural rock pools. The waterfall is also a great place for photography, with its picturesque setting and natural beauty. St. Andrew's Church is a historic Anglican church located in the town of Haputale. The foundation stone was laid in early 1869 and was consecrated for worship in September of the same year. The church is built in the Gothic style with stone walls and a timbered roof, and features beautiful stained glass windows and a bell tower. The church is open to visitors who can explore the interior of the building and admire the intricate carvings and decorations. The St. Andrew's Church is an important historical and cultural landmark in Haputale. The Kalupahana-Ohiya Road commences with some views of Sri Lanka's highest waterfall. The Bambarakanda Falls can be viewed from its base by hiking a short distance. This magnificent fall is created by the Kuda Oya, which is a tributary of the Valava River. With a height of 263 meters, this is within the 500 highest waterfalls in the world. The Devil's Staircase is a steep and challenging hiking trail which starts at Kalupahana. The trail is known for its steep incline and challenging terrain and is considered one of the most difficult hikes in the country. The trail starts at the base of the mountain and winds its way up to the summit, passing through the dense forests and rugged terrain. The hike typically takes around 3 to 4 hours to complete, depending on the hiker's fitness level and experience. The trail is considered a hard level hike and requires a good level of fitness and a sense of adventure to complete the entire 14 kilometers up to Ohiya. The trail is also considered one of the most rewarding journeys in Sri Lanka, as the summit offers breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. The area is known for its rich biodiversity, and visitors can expect to see a variety of flora and fauna along the way. The Haputale area is a mountain biker's paradise with steep descents, rugged single-track trails and killer climbs. This made it an ideal part of the endurance off-road mountain bike race, the Yak Attack. Haputale was created as the second and third stage of that event. The race attracted mountain bikers from around the world, from pro cyclists to amateur MTB riders who just wanted to enjoy the scenery and country. Not just pro cyclists, anyone wanting to enjoy the ride up from Haputale town to Lipton seat or from Kalupahana to Ohiya are in for a challenge of their endurance abilities and MTB skills. Haputale is a wonderful holiday destination with its cool, temperate and refreshing climate, spectacular waterfalls and gorgeous holiday bungalows. Haputale is often overlooked for the more touristic cities of Nuwara and Ella. However, the unhurried pace of the town and verdant tea plantations create a relaxing atmosphere like no other location in Sri Lanka.